Hi everyone! Today I'll be teaching you how to scan a video for not safe for work content in Power Automate. As a reminder, this will work the same way in Logic Apps as well. To perform this flow, we will be using the Cloud Immersive Video and Media connector. Now to get things started, we will click Create. On this page, we will choose Instant Cloud Flow and type in a name for the flow. Then we will select Manually Trigger a Flow and press Create. Now we're ready to begin. The first step of our process is going to retrieve the content from our source folder. The file I will be using is in SharePoint, so I will type SharePoint get file content. Next, I will select my SharePoint site address and the file path. After we have created the file content action, we will add a new action step by looking up the Cloud Immersive Video and Media connector, which is the dark blue icon here, and selecting Scan a Video for NSFW Content. Note that if you've never used one of our connectors before, you will be prompted to enter your API key. This is free on the Cloud Immersive website with no commitment, and once you've entered it here, you won't be asked for it again. Now for our input file, we can add the file content from the previous step and input the file name followed by the file extension. My file is an MP4 format, but several video format types are supported. You will see that there are a couple optional parameters that we can fill out as well. The file URL option should be used for videos that are over 2 GB in size, and we can optionally specify video frames per second to be scanned. Once this information is filled out, we can click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. It will take a moment to save your information, but once it's complete, you can click the Test button in the top right-hand corner. We will choose the manual option for testing the file, hit the second Test button, and then Continue. After that, we will click Run Flow and Done. After clicking Done, you will see green check marks next to the connectors showing that the flow worked. Keep in mind that if you have a large file, the process may take longer than just a few seconds, and if it's larger than 10 megabytes, it will use more than one API call. Now that the operation is complete, we can click on the Not Safe for Work action step to download the output results. The output is in JSON format, so we can see the success of the function, highest classification result, highest score, total RACI frames, total NSFW frames, total frames, NSFW scanned frames, including frame number, timestamp, content, and if we scroll down to the bottom, we can see the classification result and NSFW score. And that's all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe and check back in for more tutorials and tips on using Cloud Immersive connectors in Power Automate.